This is our employability class, so we're trying to teach them skills that they can use. We can make anything from reefs to masks to decals that you see on your car. This year we decided to do the mask like what I have on, and we're having a hard time keeping up. We normally have a store set up over there in the corner, and because of social distancing, we couldn't do that. So he came up with the idea, and we just now started yesterday and got it going. You can stop by our vending machine in the cafeteria, or you can just email me at tloftus@sportmo3.org.